Hey, how are you? Look at this car. Once it was a BMW e30 325. But today, this is a car where the cost of tuning is more than the cost of the car itself. It's a very cool sound, wheels, body kits, swept engine, lambo doors and much more. In general, it looks like a show car. Do you think it is justified to do such tuning on such cars? Or should it be preserved in classic form, like from factory? What do you think? Is there any fans of this brand among us? Tell us in comments what do you think about this. Thanks for watching, don't forget to click on the bell to see new vids on our channel. Bye.